It is that time again. Yo, welcome another day and maybe a vlog, but mostly today is a cooking video. And today's cooking video, we will make grilled cheese, but this time it's gonna be new and improved from the last time I made grilled cheese. And yes, you may notice the change of clothes because I recorded this a few minutes ago. Don't mind that. So let's get into the kitchen. Alright, so here we are in the kitchen, and for the ingredients we need bread, gardenia bread, or you can use any bread, 2 slices of it. We need butter, cheese, get out of the way tongs, 2 slices of cheese, you can use any cheese you like, and cheese whiz, also optional, but like I said, use any cheese you like. And for the cooking equipment, we need a knife, tongs, and a cooking pan. And now we're gonna start cooking. So we wanna put the heat as high as possible. I'm just kidding, don't. Put on low heat, because if you put on high heat, most likely the bread will be burnt, and you don't want that. You want that crispy goodness but yet buttery while eating the grilled cheese sandwich. And now use a knife to cut the butter, thin slice. Now put the cheese in the bread. Oh yeah, also have a spoon to spread the cheese whiz on the bread too. Alright, now we have already put our 2 slices of cheese and cheese whiz, and now we're gonna make our grilled cheese sandwich. And as you can see here, I'm pinching on the bread corners to make sure the cheese doesn't fall off. And now it's time to cook. Alright, now it's time to put the butter in the pan and spread the butter around the pan. And put the sandwich in the pan. And cook about 2 minutes on each side, and then you can finally have your grilled cheese sandwich. Well, would you look at that new and improved grilled cheese made by your boy Nathan. Oh man, I can't wait to eat you. And you know how this goes. Play the clip.
Grilled cheese, if you please.
Alright, time to take a bite of this bad boy. Ooh, here we go. Look at that. Ooh, ow. That's hot. Damn, look at the cheese. So what will I give this rating? I'll give this 9 out of 10. It is way better. Cheese whiz made this dish so delicious. So that's it for this video. I'm quite happy with what I did. So stay tuned for more vlogs or cooking videos. Yeah, see ya. Hold up, before we end this video, make sure to subscribe to my new channel, Game of Everything, and also the first ever video of this channel is out. I will post my own Smash Bros related content, fan made by the way, on this very channel. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more.